Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Nissan Qashqai N-Connecta. This car comes with the hybrid 1.3 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 138 brake horsepower and returning up to 43 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 12 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 29,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is called the Arctic White and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. And as we have a look inside, you've got the equally clean interior. There's a big armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The Nissan Qashqai has been a popular family car for many years now. Being in a SUV, you've got a nice wide rear door opening, lots of legroom and headroom if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. Rear passengers also have their own air vents in the centre, as well as the all-important 2 charging ports. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor is also adjustable, so you can have it as it is now and hide bits and pieces underneath, or you can remove it completely, which will give you quite a few extra litres of volume there. And below that, you've also got your time inflator kit there at the back. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also 360-degree parking cameras. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.